No, you shouldn't wipe. You dab. You understand?
Yes, chef.
Okay? Last time I MUA, no? Mua, makeup artist.
Singapore is one of the best places in the world to eat out. It's a food lover's paradise. But that doesn't mean it can't become even better. We are 4 chefs on a mission to create food that's great on taste and just as good for your body.
Go! My biryani rice is gilles. Gilles. Alright, hurry up!
Taking over kitchens to make classic Singapore dishes healthier.
Everybody do set face.
It's a kitchen invasion.
May the siu tai froth be with you. Why are we like 2 old farts on the bicycle in a school?
My friend owns a bistro here.
Okay.
He's the head chef. And then he's also teaching the students here. So I want to go and see what he's doing and catch up with him.
Let's invade his
Excellent.
kitchen.
The last time I ride a bicycle was 25 years ago.
25 years, hey! Hello!
Chef!
Hey, hi, Albert. Good to see you.
See, your name... Hey, Leon's lah! You tell me your name Lion.
Oh, this is a school, not a zoo.
Chef, he's from the zoo.
okay.
Yeah, that's why very loud.
Chef, we want to invade your kitchen, okay? Turn your food, make it more healthier, but yet retain the yumminess.
Okay, we have a beef stew. I'll prepare the dish, and you try to do a healthier option.
Sounds good, Chef.
Sounds good.
Okay, Chef, Leon's, all right.
Not lion.
No, not Lion.
Yeah, go.
Okay. Whoa! This looks amazing, man. It's like art. Chef, before we dig in, please tell us more about this Bistro Lab.
Okay, Bistro Lab is actually a bakery and cafeteria. This is a training facility for final year students to learn about large-scale cooking.
Okay, Chef, may we?
Please have the honor.
The beef calling me, since just now. Oh, look at that.
I can taste the herbs and spices. Beautiful, very nice. Chef Jones, this is already a complete dish, okay? We got the cup, we got the meat, we got the salad, everything.
How to make this healthier? We need some inspiration.
Yeah.
Victoria!
Hello! I ran across the entire campus. Good morning, boys.
Good morning.
Hi, Chef. I'm
Nice to
Victoria.
meet you, Leon.
Nice to meet you. I have some ingredients to inspire you today. First of all, the potato. So if you leave the skin on, in fact, most of the nutrition is in the skin. It's a very starchy vegetable. You can use it to replace things like bread, rice, and noodles. Beef. Beef is high in protein. It's also got lots of iron and vitamin B. Last up, celery. The celery, like all vegetables, is low in calories, it's high in fiber, it's really good for you. There are many ways to cook it. You can soften it down, add a little bit of texture. So hopefully that'll give you some ideas.
So now, can we invade your kitchen there?
Certainly.
Can, huh?
Just to mess it up.
Okay.
All right, it's time to cook. Gentlemen, remember what's at stake here? The winning dish needs to meet 2 criteria. It needs to be healthier and just as tasty as Chef Leon's here. Not only that, the winner gets the golden spoon. Get ready in 3, 2, 1, cook!
Chef, what are you going to do with your stew?
I'm going to make like a chili con carne
Okay?
with lots of vegetables and some beans.
Okay, what I'm making is my beef stew into a shepherd's pie. I know shepherd's is, lamb, correct? But this is the beef shepherd's pie. Frankly speaking, Chef, this is the most nervous I've been in the kitchen.
Why?
Yeah, because we are cooking for Chef Leon, I know you and him friend lah, come on lah, but you don't give under kopi Louis please .
So I'm going to cut the meat a bit smaller so it cooks faster. And I'm also trimming off as I go all the fats I see. Then you get a nice lean meat, which is very flavoursome. I'm trying to seal the meat so all the juices retain inside. And I'm also using the celery and carrot just to give a bit of sweetness.
So inside my mash, right, I'm going to put some of cauliflower inside it. So cauliflower, the same family as broccoli. Do not overcook your vegetables because it may lose its nutrients, right? I still need the fiber in it, but also to be a little bit soft so that I can bind it together with my potatoes. To be a good chef, you need to blend in the environment like a chameleon. So no potato masher, no problem. No mortar, no problem. I just have this sieve and use a ladle and you just push it through like that. So you can see I'm a bit flustered though. But it's okay. I'm a chameleon, man. I can blend into any place. Can you see me? Cannot, right? Can you see me? Cannot, right? So like Chef Albert, I'm gonna brown the beef first.
At this point of time, you can see it's all nice and crispy at the bottom. To release the caramelization, I just add a little bit of grape juice. I'm using rosemary, thyme, and bay leaves so they give a nice aromatic taste and flavor to it as well. Using this, I don't use any artificial flavoring.
Okay, if this happen, right, do not panic. Okay, just take this one, cover it up. Because fire cannot breathe without oxygen. Again.
Slowly lah, Libby. Cover, Libby, cover. Ah. If you burn yourself, you might do some good.
Chef, I worry about burning my beard, man. Because me without beard is me without life at all.
Ayo!
Chefs, the boss is here. What are you doing?
I'm making the bread crust so I can put my chili con carne inside.
So are you going to bake it again?
Yeah, I'm going to bake it one more to make it more crispier.
Good idea, good idea. Chef,
Yes, sir.
how is it coming?
So I have two kinds of mash, all right? So this is the fine mash.
Good, yeah.
This is the rough mash. Because this is the fibrous one. This one I just lay it over on the stew itself
Okay.
to bake it. So this one I can pipe it
For visual.
for visual, yes.
Good luck.
Thank you, Chef. I'm putting beans in my cooking because they are a good source of carbo, fiber, and protein.
Okay, so now my stew needs this fourth element of a taste to elevate the stew. So in goes my celery.
Done.
At this moment of time, I don't think I have a good chance at getting that golden spoon, man.
Times are
It's all
desperate.
about the taste. It's not about the look.
No, look is also important. Have you seen my wife? Look at that, man. Dash of parsley for some color. I never felt so accomplished in my life, you know? And it takes a shepherd's pie to do that for me. Woo-hoo! Woo! Woo!
All right, guys, remember what's at stake here. The winner is gonna get the golden spoon. The winning dish needs to be healthier and as delicious as his original dish. Chef Albert, tell us about your dish.
What I've done here is I made like a chili con carne. I put different kind of beans inside to give it the nutrition value. And I have the salad here as well.
It's nice. The beef, the sauces, the pulses. I mean, this is good addition to your dish and a healthier note. However, personally, I would like a little bit more saucy.
Okay.
Overall, yes, it is quite an interesting and nice dish. Yeah.
Thank you, chef.
Yep,
How about you,
interesting.
Bob?
But not as interesting as mine, chef. In front of you, beef stew, shepherd's pie. Together with the mashed potato, I put in the skin also.
Okay.
And also, there's cauliflower inside the mash. So that adds that fibrous elements.
Okay.
Healthy, yet amazing. Taste-wise, it's gonna blow you away. The stew, say, chef.
I really like that you added cauliflower into this.
It's more saucy, and combined with the potatoes, I think it matches very well. And overall, it's also a very interesting and tasty dish.
Do you like them as much as your dish?
Maybe a little lesser.
Yeah, chefs are territorial, you know. Okay, so.
Okay, chefs, are you ready? The winner of today's challenge is...
Chef Bob's. By a grain of salt, it's so close.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Can we get the golden spoon? Chef Bob, I present this to you.
Bro, I'm the golden spoon, brother! Yeah! This is Chef Bob's land! Yeah!